A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing, my dear ones?
We are fine, ma'am.
We are all right. Very good. So, my dear students, in the previous session, we were discussing lesson number Mario's cat. I can hear somebody speaking in between. Please don't do that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so in the previous session, we were discussing lesson number 1, Mario's cat. And we have started with the lesson and we have reached till the point where Mario is walking towards the hill and he wants to go to somebody's home. Felix Jerry, unmute and tell me, where is Mario going to? Abel Rinson, please sit properly. Where is Mario going to?
Hill.
He is climbing towards the hill or on the hill. Where is he going? To whose place is he going?
Parrot. See the parrot.
Percy the parrot. Yes, very good. Felix got it now?
Yes.
Mario is walking towards the house of Percy the colorful parrot. Okay, good, Felix. Thank you. Rex Joe, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Rex Joe, tell me, where does Percy live?
In a tree. Large tree.
What is the particular word for the house where Percy lives?
Percy lived in large tree.
In a tree house.
Tree house.
Tree house.
Tree
On
house.
the,
Tree house.
on the,
On the tree house.
yes, on the hills. On the hills. Yes, Rex?
On the hills.
On the hills. Yes, very good. Okay, Rashid, unmute and tell me, where does Percy live?
Percy lived in
Not lived. Say it properly. Lived.
lived.
Yeah, Percy
Lived.
lived in a,
Percy lived in the tree house.
on the, where was the tree house?
Tree house.
On the,
On the hills.
on the hill. Yes, fantastic. Percy lived in a tree house on the hills. And that is why Mario was walking towards the hill. Pranav, unmute. Who told Percy, who told Mario about Percy?
Golly the mongoose.
Golly the mongoose. Say it in a complete sentence, my dear.
Golly the mongoose told Mario
About
Percy.
Percy. Yes, very good. Chinmay, unmute. Who is Percy?
Ma'am,
Unmute.
ma'am,
Yeah. Who called?
Percy was
Yeah.
a colorful parrot.
Yes, Rishit, you're absolutely right. But did I ask you the question? No. You have to answer when I ask you the question, not otherwise. Okay, Rishit? I need to make sure that I give a chance to all the students, not just one or two. Okay, Rishit, is that fine? Did you understand that, my dear?
Ma'am.
Okay, good boy. Thank you. Chinmay, I want you to unmute and give the answer once again. Yes, Chinmay. Who was Percy or who was Percy?
Colorful parrot.
Parrot, yes, very good. Percy is a colorful parrot. Good, Chinmay. Thank you. Now, let me ask a few more questions. Niranjan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to tell me 2 sentences about Mario.
Mario
Hmm.
loved magic.
Mario magic. Okay. Another one.
He wanted to become magician.
He wanted to be a
Magician.
magician. Magician. C-I-A-N. Magician.
Magician.
Okay. Good effort, Niranjan. Thank you. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, well done. Anunaya, unmute. Anunaya,
Yes, ma'am.
describe macaroni in 2 sentences. Describe, that is, tell about macaroni in 2 sentences.
Macaroni.
Hmm.
Macaroni. Fluffy cat.
Was a
Fluffy cat.
fluffy cat. Okay, very good. Another one. Then, Pranav, take the pencil out of your mouth. Anunaya, was he large or small? And what about its color?
Orange.
Where is the sentence, my dear? I remind you, try to speak in complete sentences whenever I put a question to you.
Was a orange
Was
fluffy
a.
cat.
Was a.
Macaroni was
Not
a
was.
orange fluffy cat.
Was a
Fluffy orange cat.
fluffy orange colored big cat. Large cat. Yes?
Yes.
Was he a small one? No. He was a big cat. Okay, good job, Anunaya. Well done. Thank you. Now, Devamitra, unmute.
Yes.
Devamitra. Yeah. What was Mario's favorite trick?
Mario loved
What was Mario's favorite trick?
book.
Sorry? What? Listen to the question. What was Mario's favorite trick?
Magic.
What was his favorite trick but? Favorite, the one that he loved the most. Yes? What was Mario's favorite trick? Tell me the answer. If you don't remember, you can say that. You don't remember?
Don't know.
Okay, okay, no issues. Pay attention, pay attention. Nora, unmute. Nora, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What was Mario's favorite trick?
Mario's favorite trick was doing disappeared macaroni.
Okay, so you can say it in another way. Mario's favorite trick was the one that he performed with macaroni. Now the next question will be, what did he do with macaroni? So the answer will be, Mario made macaroni disappear. Disappear. Okay. Or you can put both these activities together and say that Mario's favorite trick was to make macaroni disappear. Say it again, Nora. Try, I will help you.
Maria's favorite trick was
To make.
macaroni disappear.
Fantastic. Good job. Mario's favorite trick. Yes, welcome. Mario's favorite trick was to make macaroni disappear. Yeah. Thank you, Nora. Good job. Anunaya, do you remember the meaning of disappear?
Disappear.
Means not to be seen. What happened to ma'am? Can you see? Ma'am?
No.
No. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. I appeared now. And now I disappeared. Right?
Yes.
So the meaning of disappeared is not to be seen or found. Not to be seen or found. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good, my dear. Thank you. Yeah. Ishan Shreyas, unmute and read from here. Golly.
Golly followed him. Mario was very happy as Golly had helped him.
Yes. Golly followed him. Ishan, can you tell me the meaning of the word followed? Serafina, what happened? Are you okay? Yes, Ishan. What is the meaning of followed? I had explained in the previous session. Followed him. Follow. To move behind someone. Or to walk behind someone. Follow. Understood, Ishan?
Yes.
Follow. So who followed Mario?
Golly.
Golly, yes. Golly followed Mario when he was walking towards the hills. Good job, Ishan. Thank you. Serafina, unmute and read from Mario. Unmute. Serafina.
Ma'am,
Yeah, read. Mario.
Mario was
Hmm.
a happy boy. He really
No.
liked
Serafina, listen.
No.
I want you to read from here. Mario was.
Ma'am, Mario was
Hmm.
a happy boy. He
I
really
don't want
liked
you to read from the beginning. No, Serafina. Look at the screen and read this. I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
underlined it here. Mario was very happy.
Mario was
Very happy.
Ma'am, we cannot
And
Ma'am, we cannot see.
yeah, Serafina, I think you're facing network issues. Even I cannot see you. Here everything is fine. Mario was. I'll get back to you later, Serafina. I think you're facing network issues. Agnes Wilson, unmute and read.
Ma'am,
Mario.
Mario was very happy as God has helped him.
As Golly had.
As Golly had helped him.
Very good, Agnes. Tell me, how did Golly help Mario?
Golly helped Mario
By?
by saying to look Percy the colorful
To meet
parrot.
Percy.
Meet Percy the colorful parrot.
Where did he ask Mario to go and meet Percy?
In the
On the.
hill.
Yes, fantastic. Good job, Agnes. Golly told Mario to go and meet Percy, who lived in a tree house on the hills. That is how he helped Mario. Yes. And Mario was very happy because Golly had helped him. Good effort, Agnes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Heaven, unmute. Read from soon. Soon. Here. Soon.
Soon
They reached.
they reached the
They reached Percy's
places
tree house. Okay. This is a tree house, my dear students. This image that you can see on the screen is a tree house, and birds live in nests or tree houses. These tree houses are built by people for the birds to live in. Can the birds build a tree house on their own like this? No, they can't. They can just build nests on their own. And have you observed what do the birds use to make nests? To build nests?
sticks.
Twigs and dried leaves and all, right?
Yes. One story are there.
Okay, okay, good.
Winter is approaching.
Okay, good. Now, continue, Heaven. They dash on the door. When we reach somebody's house, when we go to somebody's house, what do we do on the door?
They knock on the door.
What is the word?
No.
Knocked. Very good. Knocked. Knocked. They knocked on the door. Continue.
Percy came and opened the door.
Okay.
Mario asked.
Mario asked.
Mario asked Percy,
Have you seen
macaroni?
macaroni? Yes, very good. Have you seen macaroni? Because Mario and Golly had come to Percy's home in search of macaroni. Whom were they searching for? They were searching for macaroni. Yes, Heaven, continue.
Percy asked macaroni the
Dash.
cat.
What will be the? Yes, very good. Because Percy wanted to make sure that Mario was searching for his pet cat, Macaroni. So Percy asked, Macaroni the cat. Are you talking about Macaroni the cat? Continue, Heaven.
Yes. Should
No. Shouted. Shouted.
Mario
Shouted.
that Mario would happen
With happiness.
Okay, ma'am.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Heaven, what is the meaning of happiness?
Very happy.
Very happy. Oh, joy. Joy. We say joy, right? Do you remember a rhyme based on the term happiness?
Yes.
What is that? You have learnt in the lower classes. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Come on, let's do it. Yeah, who all know? If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. I forgot the order. Do you remember the order?
Yes.
Yeah, we should keep all this in mind throughout. And never forget all these things. We should bring them up again into our lives and enjoy in between. Not all the time, okay? In between. Try not to forget them. Okay, good effort, Heaven. You have tried to read it very well. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ma'am, Rishit can read.
Yes, Rishit, now you may read. Rishit is very eager to answer and read. Good, I'm happy to see your enthusiasm. Good. Yes, Rishit, please go ahead.
Will I have
No. I don't want you to read it very fast.
will
The
I
previous session
have
also I said make use of the punctuation marks. Will I have?
will I have seed
No. Well, take a pause there. Pause. I have.
will I have
That's better. Good. Continue.
will I have sowed
No.
per-
S-A-I-D.
said
Said.
Percy I have
No.
flying
Don't be in a hurry, Rishit.
okay ma'am
Was.
was
Hmm.
flying
Hmm.
around
Hmm.
with my friends.
Hmm.
I said
No.
sowed
S-A-W.
sowed
So.
so
So.
so
The
a
past tense
cat
of see is saw. There is no need to add ed to it. Saw.
so a cat who looked sad.
Who looked sad. Okay.
I went to take to him,
No.
talk to him,
Yes, that's good.
talk to him. He said He's-
Rishit, please wait. I noticed that you are dragging this word a bit too long. It's not said. Said.
said
Said.
said
Okay, good. Continue.
his name
Hmm.
was macaroni.
Macaroni.
Macaroni, and with his
No.
that he was
Huh? L-O-S-T.
lost.
Lost.
He is R-I-G-H-T. Richard,
R-I-G-H-T. Right.
right, S-H-E-R-E, chair
Here.
here at my house,
Hmm.
sleeping by a fire.
By a, which word is this? T-H-E.
The fire.
The fire. Yes, read the last one.
I give him
Give. G-A-V-E.
give.
No. Give is written as G-I-V-E. Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave.
Gave him milk and bread.
Bread. Don't guess the words, read them.
Biscuits.
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 Biscuits. Okay, good. Rishit, you're trying to read very well, but I want you to be a little careful about your speed of reading. Try to read slowly initially. Then once you are very confident or you gain confidence, then you can increase your speed. Okay? Got
Okay,
it,
ma'am.
Rishit?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, well done. Thank you. So, when Golly and Mario reached Percy's treehouse, they knocked on the door. Percy opened the door and Mario asked Percy, "Have you seen macaroni?" And Percy asked, "Are you speaking about Macaroni, the cat?" Mario replied, "Yes, yes." And Mario was so happy to hear the word macaroni, the cat, from Percy. He was very happy and he said, "Yes, yes, I'm talking about my pet cat Macaroni? Percy replied, yes, I have seen him. I was flying around with my friends, and that is when I saw a cat who looked sad. What did Percy say? Percy said that, yes, he had seen Macaroni when he was flying around with his friends. And how was Macaroni feeling at that time? Macaroni was feeling very
Sad.
Dear Denny, can you tell me why was Macaroni sad at that time? The unmute. Why was Macaroni sad at that time? Dia?
He lost his cat.
No, Macaroni is the cat, right? I want to know why was Macaroni looking sad at that time when Percy saw him? See, it's written here, I saw a cat who looked sad. Why was the cat sad, Dia? Because he was?
Because he was
Because he was lost. He didn't know where he was. He didn't know how to go back to his home. He had no idea what was happening with him. That is the reason Macaroni was sad. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So why was Macaroni sad? Macaroni was sad because he was lost. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good effort, dear. Thank you. So when Percy, while flying around with his friends, saw a cat who looked sad, he flew down and went to talk to Macaroni. And Macaroni replied or told Percy that his name was Macaroni and that he was lost. What is the meaning of the word lost? To be lost or to get lost means to not know where you are, to not know which way is going to take us back to our home. Okay, lost, not knowing where one is. Then Percy told Mario that your Macaroni is right there at his house. And what was he doing at that time? Sleeping by the fire. By the fire means near the fire. What was Macaroni doing at that time? Macaroni was sleeping by the fire or sleeping near the fire. And what had Mario given to Macaroni? Sorry, Percy given to Macaroni?
Milk and biscuits.
Milk and biscuits, yes. Percy gave Macaroni milk and biscuits. Okay, very good. Thank you. Aiden, unmute. Aiden Dias and unmute and read. Mario was?
Mario was very happy. He had
F-O-U-N-D. Abel Rinson. What's happening there? Pay attention to the class. Yeah, he had
found
yeah,
macaroni.
macaroni.
He
Gave, G-A-V-E,
gave macaroni a
B-I-G, big,
big
H-U-G,
hug.
hug. Okay, continue.
He
Dash. Okay, let me tell you. When somebody helps us, what do we say to them? When somebody helps us in doing something or getting something, what do we say to them?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, very good. So, when Golly and Percy helped Mario, he thanked them. T-H-A-N-K-E-D. Thanked. Continue reading. He thanked Percy.
Percy
Mm,
and
mm,
Golly
yes.
for
Mm. Their
their
mm,
help and
mm, kindness.
kindness.
Mm,
He
mm, dashed them to his magic show. Mario was a magician. Do you remember that? So, what did he do? Percy and Golly had helped him. They had shown a lot of kindness towards Mario and helped him to find his cat, Macaroni. So, what did Mario do? He invited Percy and Golly to his magic show. What did he do? He asked them to come and be a part of his magic show. That is the meaning of the word invite. When your friends conduct their birthday parties, they invite you. They ask you to come to their homes and be a part of the party, right? That is called invite. He invited, continue reading, my dear, them to his,
them
hmm,
them
to his,
to his magic show.
okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you.
To his
Yeah, very good, very good.
show.
Niharika, unmute. Continue reading.
While
Hmm,
walking back,
yes,
happily Mario
realized
realized that
kindness and
friendship
friendship
and
are the
real magic in our life.
yes, while walking back happily. Why was Mario so happy?
Because he
Mari-
got his cat.
Yes, very good. Because he was able to get or find his missing cat, Macaroni. And at the end, Mario realized. To realize means to come to know something. He understood that kindness and friendship are the real magic in our lives. Kindness means to be kind and friendly. Friendship, to be kind, caring, and friendly with people are the real magic in our lives. All the other magic things that we perform are just tricks. But what is the real magic in our lives? The real magic are kindness and friendship. Which are very good virtues, and we also try to, yes, kindness and friendship. We must also try to practice these virtues, bring them, put it into our lives and practice them regularly. So what are the real magic in our lives? Kindness and
friendship in our life.
Very good. So what is the moral of the story? Kindness and
friendship
are the
our life.
I want all of you to read the entire story 2 times today. Got it? In the following session, for forthcoming session, we will be discussing the exercise. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you very much. Have
Bye, ma'am.
yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.